Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Dr. Fawad Farooq. I am an interventional cardiologist at National Institute of Cardiovascular Diseases, Karachi. Hypertension is something which is very common among general masses, and a healthcare professional has to deal with hypertension at every level of care, starting from primary healthcare, secondary healthcare, tertiary healthcare, and even sometimes you have to really deal with hypertensive patient in other specialties as well, surgery, gynae, wherever you are. So that's why I'm recording, although it's a previously recorded video. Luckily we have recorded this whole hypertension workshop about 2 years back, but unfortunately I was unable to upload it. So what I'm planning to upload this whole video with 3 portions on my YouTube channel, inshallah within week or so. तो उसमें फिर इंशाल्लाह तमाम वो लोग जो हाइपरटेंशन की इनिशियल मैनेजमेंट से थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया करना चाहते हैं कि एक न्यूली डायग्नोज हाइपरटेंसिव पेशेंट्स को किस तरह असेस किया जाता है और फिर उनकी मैनेजमेंट किस तरह की जाती है. एंड इंशाल्लाह दिस वीडियो विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल for primary care physician, for students, and for even lay public. So you can subscribe my channel to get this video. Inshallah I'll be uploading this video within 1-2 weeks after completion of this whole exercise. Thank you very much for the listening.